am I such a Barbie girl? I'm so in love with this bag. And it's the very first time that we're seeing this now. And look at the size. It's so tiny in comparison to my medium Chanel 31. I'm so worried, like I really want the Chanel Mini 31. So what do we do as a general collective? Let us know. It's really gonna be helpful for all of us, I think. We are at Chanel, and I was thinking, you know, I haven't been on a Chanel Undercover trip in a long time, but I really want to see the Chanel Mini 31. You guys know that I've fallen in love with that bag, right? So let's check out the actual quality of the bag. Let's see if they have it, if we can get a look at it, if we can maybe even try it on. There was a long queue. So first impressions, here's the bag that I was thinking of getting. Now we're gonna get a proper look at the craftsmanship. Let me know what we think. Doesn't look too bad. It doesn't look like the picture on the model, but it doesn't look too bad. Yeah guys, so this is a beautiful bag. I've always liked it. I can't believe they brought it back. It's a beautiful caramel color. I really want to try on the 31. But I always like this bag. What about the leather quality? Yeah, when is Chanel a safe option again? That's the question. It's beautiful. It's really nice. I like it. Okay, let's see what else we find. It feels quite durable. I have to give them that. And the stitching isn't too bad either. Wow, look at this color. That is quite vibrant. Plus, this outfit has something gorgeous. Tweed. I mean, Chanel is famous for their tweeds. Yeah, nice bags. Okay, wow, I'm in love. This is actually slightly iridescent tweed. I don't know if you can see it. This is beautiful. Wow. Okay, I love this color. I have to be honest, this is probably a small leather good. But wow, I love this color. Isn't that absolutely stunning? Cute. Wow. Okay, look at this belt. That is gorgeous. And I've seen pictures of this bag. Usually I love patent leather. I'm not the biggest fan of this. I don't know why. Not the biggest fan. Here we have another little Chanel 31 Mini in not the patent leather, just regular leather. It's tiny. So cute. Here we have one of these bags with the wooden pieces. Cool. It's quite light. I don't think it's actual wood, guys. I think it's just a wood effect. It's quite light, guys. Here we are with the little with the pink one, and okay, the patent leather looks a lot different to the maroon one that we've seen upstairs, but oh my god, why am I such a Barbie girl? I'm so in love with this bag. And it's the very first time that we're seeing this now in person. Oh god. What do we think? Okay, I'm in love. The question is, how good are their patent leathers at the moment? So what about the stitching? Yeah. This already looks a little bit worn, maybe because it's a display piece. Many people have tried it on. I can't believe that they haven't sold out immediately. Usually Metiers, like, the pieces were selling out so quickly. And guys, it comes with the two different straps. You have the classic Chanel chain strap, and you have like a black patent leather strap. It's a nice height. Sits at a really nice height. Oh god, oh god, oh god. I love it. It's so cute. Okay, this bag is simply beautiful, and I think you can wear it all year round. It's a beautiful autumn and winter bag as well. The pink is quite in your face, but I love it. I love the Barbie pink, but this is just so gorgeous. And look at the size. It's so tiny in comparison to my medium Chanel 31. But I love it. She has a green one as well. which one. So this is the green one. Actually looks a lot lighter in reality. My camera doesn't pick it up properly. Wow, look at the sequins wonder. So beautiful. Okay guys, so you know what? For the very first time I felt comfortable at Chanel again. And they were nice. Aurélie was my SA and she was super nice, and in general I was in there probably for around 40 minutes. They were all very nice, so I had a very good Chanel experience, I have to tell you that. Yeah, so what I noticed though is that the pink one, you can probably see it on the footage, the pink one was already deflated. Yes, it was a display piece, so it's probably been on the shelves for about 2 weeks now, but it was already deflated, the quilts. So even though it's patent leather and you would think it doesn't deflate as quickly as lambskin, for example, it already was deflated. So even if you got the maroon one, which was perfectly beautiful and smooth, would you guys think that, you know, it also deflates very quickly? I'm so worried. Like, I really want the Chanel Mini 31. I want it so bad, but I'm really worried. How is it going to wear? You know, so let me know. You've seen the footage, let me know what you think. Maybe one of you has actually bought the bag already, so maybe you've worn it for a couple days. Let me know what you think of it, and is it a safe buy or not? I think that's the big question. Okay guys, so at the end of this video I still want to have a chat with you about the future of Chanel. So I've got my little coffee here. By the way guys, if you haven't seen my most recent Bulgari unboxing yet, go and check it out. Bulgari has gifted me this bag. It is such a me bag. I'm gonna wear it all summer. It's gonna be my summer bag for 23. Yeah, check it out. Back to Chanel. Taking everything into consideration that we know about Chanel. The quality issues, all the drama that happened, the way they treat their customers, you know, their clients, mixed with all your personal experiences that you've had over the past couple of years with Chanel, let's say. I want to have a general discussion to get a general idea of percentage. All of you have decided that you're still purchasing Chanel, and let's talk Chanel leather. I'm not talking about Chanel ready to wear or Chanel perfumes or makeup or custom jewelry, even though we know that custom jewelry has been an issue as well, right, for a while. So Chanel leather goods, bags, shoes, small leather goods. If you have decided for yourself, based on the knowledge you have from, I mean, so many creators have spoken out about Chanel qualities, not only me and Jacob, and we get so much hate about it all the time. Like, so many other creators by now have spoken out about it, right? And you know it. So all of this plus your own personal experience, let me know generally, so that we all can actually get an idea. And I think it's quite interesting. Everyone who has decided to keep purchasing Chanel, put a thumbs up in the comment section. And if you have decided based on your own bad experiences or quality issues that you're not going to purchase Chanel in the near future, put a thumbs down emoji. Thumbs up if you still, at this point in time, keep shopping with them. Thumbs down if you decided to stop purchasing. I think that's, for all of us, actually quite interesting to know, you know. So I don't know. I'm totally torn. I really do not know what to do, because I love the design. I've always loved the heritage. Like, my grandma was the Chanel woman, you know. She's had Chanel bags and Chanel perfume, and for me it's something I've grown up with and I've admired. So it's really hard, same for Jacob, it's really hard to let go of, you know, the style, the dream, just the feeling that Chanel gives you. But I mean, you guys know, since my Chanel 22 I haven't purchased anything. So what do we do as a general collective? Let us know. It's really going to be helpful for all of us, I think. And yeah, if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up. I'm just going to enjoy my little iced black Americano now. Yeah, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join our little handbag obsessed family here, because we all do have the same luxury disease. Yes, we do. And guys, I see you again very, very soon. Bye! And look guys, I always love to show you London It's been sunny earlier, but nonetheless it's a beautiful summer's day. Okay, well, cheers and goodbye.